All right, so if it's cool with you, I'm gonna take the 13.7 purebred URG to work, and we'll see what we can make happen with Duramag and Rosco.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right, what we're gonna do first is kind of a on-the-move shooting V drill. There's a couple ways that we can do it. When you start on this cone, right, you start on the target that's diagonal across the range. You walk towards it, shooting the entire time, walking and shooting.
Yeah.
It's really gonna mess you up because some folks, you know, they can't shoot while the gun is bouncing. So it helps you control a lot of different things. It's that balance between speed and accuracy. Once you get to this barrel, you maneuver it, negotiate around it, you run to the other cone, and then you start on the opposite target.
And we're hooking around the cone, not just coming to the cone.
It could be either way, whatever you're comfortable with. You know, some people, they modify the drill a little bit just so they can get good footing. You know, some folks, they're more prone to slippage than others, but as long as you get the point of shooting on the move and increasing your speed up to the target. Now, if you're hitting the target and you're walking slowly, that's cool, time to speed it up. If you miss, hey, that's fine. You just slow it down a little bit and you try again.
Yeah.
Because you're never going to progress in your skill set until you start pushing that envelope. And this is a good drill if you're at the range by yourself too, but you got to keep yourself honest.
Yeah.
You know, you can't cheat because then you're not doing anything.
Exactly.
So I'll let you go first. Got one in the chamber. All right. Shooter ready.
Ready.
On the command of threat, you will engage the targets and follow them accordingly. Threat! There you go, safety on. Move, 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 move. There you go. All right, good, good, good. So you notice a lot of things happen right there, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, you're testing the function of your equipment, and that's why if we're going to go out and test for our products, yeah, we're going to do velocity testing and stuff like that, and you know, check with cans just for performance. But at the same time, I can kill two birds, one stone if I incorporate testing that revolves around actual training, right? Because at the end of the day, this is where the rubber meets the road. This is why people are building these platforms, right?
Yeah.
It's not just to sit there and, yeah, some folks may enjoy shooting the ragged hole out of a target at 100 yards. Other people want to get out here and they want to train for something that's realistic to them, you know, whether it be home defense, duty use, whatever. So here we saw on the bigger target, you're walking up, you're getting a little bit of confidence, and then you shift gears when you get to that second one. When the target gets closer, it's sobering, right?
Yeah.
Really, really humbling.
Plus, you're going to a half-size target.
Yep.
There's no love. You've just hit a little bit of an elevated heart rate.
Yep.
It makes it
Realistic.
yeah.
Because you're going to have that adrenaline dump. God forbid you ever have to use these skills or these platforms to use. And that's realistically what's going to happen. Once you hit 120 beats per minute, you start experiencing auditory exclusion. You do a full adrenaline dump at 150, whatever, what have you. Whatever your situation is going to be, there is going to be that factor. So might as well flesh it out here and have fun testing out equipment.
Cool. Well, I got a pink guy, so
Pinky boy?
yeah. Let me see what we can do on this again. Hit it
All right.
one last time, and then I'll let you totally wreck me.
Trust me, this is an even playing field for a lot of folks. All right. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Threat! like that. See, on the second time around, two things happened. You didn't necessarily you didn't necessarily slow down, but you picked your shots and you had a cadence.
Yeah.
You know, and that's what you're kind of building here too, your own cadence for this, which is cool because if you're moving or the target's moving, you kind of have to figure that out.
Yeah.
Nothing's ever going to stand still, and you definitely shouldn't stand still unless you have to hide behind cover or something.
Exactly. Move laterally or aggressively, I've always kind of thought.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna give a old college try.
All right. Shooter ready?
Yep.
3.
Okay. It's hard on this.
You ready, girl?
I'm feeling we need some cardio.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me about that.
Right.
He's out of breath. He's like,
I
Justus.
was out of breath the first one.
Fastest kid alive. Fastest kid alive.
On you?